Justice Binta Anyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja on Thursday rescheduled the trial of the detained leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, from January 19 to 18, 2022. Now, the shift in the trial date followed the abridgment of time granted by the judge following a passionate plea to that effect. Kanu's lead lawyer, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, had approached the court with an application seeking an order of the court to accommodate the trial in November and December this year as against the earlier January 19, 2022. The prosecuting attorney of the federal government, Shoaib Labaran, however, told the court that a counter affidavit opposing the request by the government has been filed and served on Kanu. Justice Nyako, however, informed Kanu's lawyer that the application for the time abridgment cannot be granted because there was no judicial time for such an issue. He therefore ordered the Department of State Services to allow Kanu to practice his faith, change his clothes, and be given the maximum possible comforts in the detention facility.
So, now adjourned to 18th of January to hear the application challenging the judicial of the court to defend the charge. Because that application is very fundamental. Fundamental in the sense that if it is ruled in our favor, that will bring to an end this charge. And it's rooted on strong laws, facts, and argument in on laws. Because we are of the view, firm view in law, that the 7-count charge, the charge filed against our client, defendant, is not only watery but empty and a worthless paper. So, and we effectively challenge it. And we are of the firm view and believing strongly in law that that application we found meritorious when it is hard, and also giving good food. So these are among the fundamental orders court made today, and they are rolling out those orders today. And of course, we are in court. The court said in the event the detaining authority, the SS, who has been in the practice of disobeying and violating court orders, flout the order made by the court today, we should come back to court anytime when that is done. So, and we believe strongly that this time around they will comply with court order. So, in the days past, we have had cause to come before this court to file contempt proceedings against the DGSSS following their flagrant disobedience